Over to the all-important distance test. Now, while this pack is rated at 100 meters, I'm not going to go back 100 meters. Sorry to spoil this particular thing for you if you were waiting to see 100 meters away, but that's quite a long way. That's like 300 plus feet. There's no way I'm walking that far away from my camera in a public park. So what I'm going to do is just keep walking backwards like this, facing the camera, which is giving us true line of sight, so nothing's obscuring the signal. Now, as I turn around, it has the potential to cut out because line of sight is broken. Anytime it cuts out, I'll leave some annotations on screen and we can see whether or not it worked in that particular test. Now, it also comes down to how fast does the pack recover if line of sight is broken and you do lose your signal. Some packs are terrible at recovery and you won't get any audio once they break. It's a terrible thing. So I expect this, if it does cut out, to still work and reconnect very quickly. 7 Rhymes has been pretty great so far. Let's do another turnaround test now and we'll see how well this works. If it cut out or did anything funny, I'll leave some annotations on screen. At this distance, with line of sight being broken, I would expect it to cut out. So I'm all the way back down here. What I'm going to do is just start walking casually back towards the camera to replicate a walk and talk shot. You might be interviewing someone and you're just doing a casual stroll in the park or, you know, down the street, whatever the case may be. And we're going to see just how well it handles this particular test. And how much of the traffic noise, wind noise, foot noise can you hear coming through this built-in omnidirectional microphone? I'll comment on this as well at the end because I always give you my opinion once I've got it through editing. I've listened and watched everything back and I can assess what it's doing and how well that it did it. If this video is helpful, please leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Let's do a quick vlogging test using the 7 Rhymes DW20 wireless pack. One of the huge advantages to a wireless pack if you plan on doing any type of vlogging is I can position the camera wherever I like or turn away from the camera and the audio is still going to be nice and clear. So this is a huge advantage over a shotgun microphone. There's lots of loud cars and trucks just going by, so we'll see how well it handles isolating my voice in this type of environment, but odds are this should sound pretty good, and judging from the footage, it looks nice and stable. Panasonic IBIS, man, awesome.